Hey guys, Jacob here, and sorry, I just got a bad throat. Today, I need to tell you something. So basically, I've just been watching the Winter Olympics, and I was watching the men's, I think it's Big Air, I think it is, and this British person came third, he came bronze, which I'm really happy about, but as you can see today, I'm not going to be playing Flying Group Simulator. I'm going to be playing a different game. What? Oh, front robot. So, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing Treasure Hunt Simulator right now. So, yeah, I'll be right back when I've joined. So, I'm back now. I've just joined, so just waiting for it to load in. I haven't actually done a video on this game, but I've played around with it a bit. I've got a few shovels. So I've also got a private island, so yeah, just gonna head over to my private island. Join my own here. Oh yeah, and I got this, what do you call it? Well, I call it a life hack, so all you need to do, get your shovel out, click on it once, go down, go into first person, get an elastic band or anything. If you have a gaming mouse like mine, then this will work, and you just put it over your mouse, and then you just leave it there. Yeah, so that's one way, so I can just leave this here until my backpack gets full up, and yeah. Wait, I'll just move. Oh, my friend just joined. I'm just telling that I'm recording. Oh shoot, Dig's light is about to collapse. Generator. Oh, yeah. So yeah, that's all you need to know about how to use an autoclicker on this game instead of downloading an autoclicker, I guess. So yeah, see you guys, and just that, where's my screen recorder thing? How do I where is it? Okay, but guys, thanks for watching, and just a sec. So, why won't this let me stop recording? Oh yeah, so see you guys, and bye!